Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states, one of Hazrat Abu Talha's sons was ill. When Hazrat Abu Talha went out, the boy passed away. When Hazrat Abu Talha returned, he asked, "How is the baby?" Hazrat Sulaim radiyallahu anha said, "He is better than before." She then served the supper. After consuming the meal, he practiced coitus with her. When he got free, Hazrat Sulaim said, "Go and bury the baby." In the morning, Hazrat Abu Talha came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and narrated him the whole episode. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam inquired, "Did you practice coitus tonight?" He radiyallahu anhu submitted, "Yes." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, bless both of them." So she gave birth to a son. Hazrat Abu Talha thereupon said to me, "Take good care of him until we took him to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam." So he took the baby to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and some dates were also sent along with him. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam took the baby and said, "Is there anything else along with him?" He replied, "Yes, there are some dates." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon masticated them and then put it in his mouth. Thus he sallallahu alaihi wasallam rubbed his palate with it and named him Abdullah. Hazrat Muhammad bin Sirin has reported the aforementioned hadith from Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu. Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 5470.